Now coming on to reported speech. Now continuing from the last section in which we discussed 2 points as to how we will change a direct narration into indirect narration. We discussed the law of connectors and the law of tenses. Now in this section we will discuss the third law, that is law of persons. That means how you will change the persons in reporting verb and reported speech. There is a reporting verb and there is a reported speech. Reported speech, as discussed earlier, will be in the inverted commas. Now, before we start, a small chart will be very helpful to us.
This is a nominative case
followed by the objective case, then the possessive case and reflexive or emphatic case. Now as we all know, in the nominative case, if we put up I, it will change into me. The possessive will be my or maybe mine, and then myself will be the reflexive or emphatic. Coming on to we, us, our or ours, and then ourselves. You, your, yours, or maybe yourself and yourselves, because yourself will be singular and yourselves will be plural. Coming on to they, it will change into them, their or theirs, and then themselves. He, she, and it. So he will change into him, his, and then himself. Coming on to she, herself, and last it, its, and. Now with the help of this chart, it will be very easy for us to change persons both of the reporting verb and the reported speech. Now coming on to the first law of the change of persons. The first law says if in the reported speech first person, that is I and we, is given to us. I am talking about the reported speech. So if in the reported speech I and we is given to us, we will change it according to the subject of reporting verb. Coming on to the second point, if second person, that is you, it is given in the reported speech, then it will change according to the object of the reporting verb. Let us once again discuss this thing. If in the reported speech as we discussed earlier always comes inside the inverted commas. So anything inside the inverted commas is in first person, that is I, me, my, myself, or we, us, our, or ourselves. So it will change according to the subject, subject of the reporting verb. So it will change according to the subject. But second person is given over here, then it will change according to the object. To make things very easy, let us move to one example. Now a sentence is given to us. He said, comma, inverted commas, I will myself do my work. Now in this one we can see a first person I is given to us, and this one is in the subjective case or the nominative case. Myself again is a first person and this one is in the reflexive case, and my again is a first person but this one is in a possessive case. So all these three, they are first person. Now as discussed earlier, first person will always change according to the subject of the reporting verb. This is a reporting verb and the subject over here is he. Now earlier we drew a chart, so let us come to that chart. Okay, now we have to focus on two things over here. We have to focus on I and we have to focus on he. Now in the reporting verb, he said was given to us, and in the reported speech, I, my, and myself was given to us. Now, once we change a direct narration into indirect narration, so we will change it according to the subject of the reporting verb provided in the reported speech first person is given to us. Now, in place of I, we will put he. In place of my, we will put his. And in place of myself, we will put himself. So it will be something like this. He said that, now as discussed, I will change into he because first person he is given to us. First person he actually is given to us in nominative case. So he will be changed into would. Myself will change into himself, and my will change into his. Now the answer will be, he said that he would himself do his work. Coming on to one more example. Suppose a sentence is given to us, my mother said to me, you yourself have to clean your room. Now before we start, we will have to find out the persons over here. Now you is a second person and you is a second person, and it is in nominative or subjective case. Yourself is in reflexive case and your is in possessive case. So this will be nominative, this will be reflexive, and your will be possessive. Now they will change according to the object of the reporting verb. Now the object over here is me. Now me, I, me, my, and myself. And similarly you, your, and yourself. Now second person will change according to the object, and object is first person over here. So in place of you, we'll put up I. In place of yourself, we'll put up myself. And in place of your, we'll put my. So the answer will be, my mother told me that I myself will change into had to clean my room. So in this way, persons will be changed. If first person is given to us in reported speech, it will change according to the subject of the reporting. And if second person is given to us in reported speech, then it will change according to the reporting, according to the object of the reporting verb. Now what if we get a third person in the reported speech? In that case, suppose in the reported speech, we get a third person. Now in this case there will be no change. Now that means if we get he, it will remain into he. If we get Rahul, it will remain into Rahul. If we get they, it will remain into they. If we get she, it will remain into she. Now moving on to the last point of this section, and that is the other laws. Now again they are very simple. Suppose in the reported speech we get this, it will change into that. These will change into those. Come, go. Now, then, today, that day. Here, there. Yesterday, the previous day. Hence, thence. Hither, thither. Thus, so. I hope things are clear to you as far as changing direct into indirect narration is concerned. Thank you.